Welcome back to our MarketLumina tutorial series. Today, we're diving into the signals generated by this powerful indicator. Whether you're spotting reversals or confirming trends, these signals can enhance your trading game. This is for educational purposes only, so let's explore how to use them effectively with your own strategy. MarketLumina offers 7 unique signals to help you navigate the markets. These are driven by advanced algorithms, AI, price action, money flow, momentum, and more, working seamlessly with the Fibonacci Trend-Cloud we covered last time. Let's break them down one by one with examples. Potential reversals flag possible ends of price recovery, ready to follow the trend. They shine when paired with Lumina Pulse or a higher time frame resistance, like this daily chart example. Here, the signal aligns with a strong Fibonacci Trend-Cloud, hinting a trend continuation. If Lumina Pulse shows opposing strength and no resistance is clear, they might be less reliable, so always confirm with your own analysis. Strong reversals are next level. They use institutional-grade price action and RSI algorithms with machine learning to spot reversals, even in strong trends. In this daily chart, the signal hits a weekly resistance. It's a solid cue, but beware. Strong price momentum could push through, so manage your risk. Strong trend signals confirm when the market's on a roll. They fire when technical tools align, like here, with a wide Fibonacci Trend-Cloud and Lumina Pulse showing momentum. It's a green light to lean into the trend, but always pair it with your own strategy for confidence. Short and entry signals pinpoint trend-following opportunities using money flow and multi-time frame detection. Check this signal in a clear trend, a clear Fibonacci Trend-Cloud, and loaded Lumina Pulse bars, confirming its direction. These aren't for auto trading, so confirm them with your plan. Overbought and oversold signals highlight when the market's stretched, like this oversold signal in an uptrend, hinting at a breather. The Fibonacci Trend-Cloud tightening adds context. Don't trade these alone. Use them to time moves within the bigger picture. Price action exits and confirmations follow the same traffic light logic as the Fibonacci Trend-Cloud. This exit signal, tied to resistance levels or other exit conditions, suggests a reversal or rejection. Powered by AI-driven price action and RSI algorithms, it's great for timing exits. Just verify with your strategy. Short-term tops and bottoms could call out reversals, especially after consolidation. They are based on complex divergence algorithms, which makes them relatively strong. Here's a strong signal after a sideways stretch, with a Fibonacci Trend-Cloud signaling caution, while the signal gives a hint for the direction. It's a stellar exit cue when your strategy agrees. For the best results, tie these signals to the Fibonacci Trend-Cloud. A strong reversal with a resistance level on a higher time frame screams rejection, while an entry with a wide green cloud boosts confidence. Next time, we'll discuss Lumina Pulse strength bars, which add even more firepower to the MarketLumina toolkit. That's your guide to MarketLumina's advanced signal system. Use them with the Fibonacci Trend-Cloud to sharpen your edge. This is for educational purposes only. Your strategy is key. Visit MarketLumina.com for more and subscribe for our next video on Lumina Pulse. Happy trading!